Hello everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to enable two-factor authentication on LinkedIn in 2026. Turning on two-factor authentication, also known as 2FA, adds an extra layer of security to your account and helps protect it from unauthorized access. First, sign in to your LinkedIn account. Click on your profile picture in the top right corner and select *settings and privacy ***. From the left-hand menu, click Sign In and Security ***. Scroll down until you find *two-step verification * or two-factor authentication *, then click Turn on *. LinkedIn may ask you to enter your account password to confirm your identity before continuing. Next, choose how you'd like to receive your verification codes. You can use an authentication app, such as Google Authenticator or Microsoft Authenticator, which is the most secure option. You may also have the option to receive verification codes by text message, depending on your region. If you're using an authentication app, scan the QR code displayed on the screen with the app, then enter the 6-digit verification code it generates. If you're using SMS, enter the code that LinkedIn sends to your phone number. After the code is verified, click *finish * or turn on *. Two-factor authentication is now enabled on your LinkedIn account. The next time you sign in from a new device or browser, LinkedIn will ask for both your password and the verification code. This extra step helps keep your personal information, messages, and professional network secure, even if someone knows your password. And that's how to enable two-factor authentication on LinkedIn in 2026. If you found this guide helpful, please like this video, subscribe to the channel for more LinkedIn tutorials, and thanks for watching.